Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites: device unlocked, internet working, and your Google account signed in. Once done, go straight to Settings and find Security and Privacy or Location. Different Android versions place Find My Device under either. Next, open the Find My Device app from Google Play if installed. You do this now to see current status and to prepare for disabling. It reduces guesswork and avoids accidental factory resets later. You now disable the monitoring layers. First, go to Security right arrow Device Admin Apps and turn off Find My Device as an administrator. That step unlocks removal. Then open Apps for Find My Device, revoke location and background permissions so it cannot track you. Make sure to disable or uninstall updates via Google Play if the app resists removal. Disabling updates often removes the admin lock. These actions stop the app from running. You finish by signing out of the Google account on the device or removing the account in Settings. This severs the link. Then, on a computer, go to your Google account security section and remove the device from your devices so it no longer appears in Find My Device. If the device still shows, clear Google Play Services cache and data, wait a few hours, and repeat removal via the web. That usually resolves sync delays and lingering entries.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.